With the proliferation of gigabytes of memory and terabytes of storage and ever-increasing program size, I'm sure you've often wondered how small can a Windows program be? Well, let's take a look. We open a DOS window and make a directory called nothing, and then we change into that directory and do a directory listing and see that there's nothing in nothing. Using debug, we'll assemble a very short program. We're going to move into the high part of the accumulator, the hex value of 4C, and then we're going to call software interrupt 21. And that's it. This is only 4 bytes, so we'll set the CX register to 4, and we'll give it a name, nothing.com in this case, and then we'll write that out. Exiting debug and doing a directory listing, we see we now have a program called nothing.com that's only 4 bytes long. And when we type nothing, nothing happens. Well, that's pretty cool, only 4 bytes. However, let's do this again. This time we're going to assemble only a software interrupt 20, which is only 2 bytes. So we're going to set CX to 2, and then we're going to give this one a program name of nothing2.com. We write it out, we exit, and we find out we now have a program called nothing2 that's only 2 bytes. And when we type nothing2, nothing happens too. So there you have it. It's worth noting that the second solution with only 2 bytes contains a deprecated function that has not been supported since DOS 2.0 somewhere in the early 80s. So the most valid answer would be 4 bytes for a program that does absolutely nothing. Nothing being the program loads, it immediately exits with an error code. And there you have it. Much ado about nothing.